Blah, blah, blah. Drains, issues, backups, blah, blah, blah. Okay, they're clearing a bathtub drain. Looks like he's using the Milwaukee drain snake to do it. That's interesting. Never seen one of those in action before. Seems to be a bit more heavy duty option than a plunger. Weird. He's being really careful as he works the snake down the drain, making sure not to damage anything. Nice. It's impressive how easy that snake is cutting through that blockage. They're making quick work of it. Good job. It's always satisfying to see the water drain down after you clear a blockage. They're almost there. Awesome. The water's draining properly now. That must feel great. Well done, Jay. Well done. To do it. That's interesting. Okay. Nice. Good job. It's always satisfying to see the water drain down. They're almost there. Awesome. Does it ever feel like you're being watched? Anyway, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Till next time, Tarapna. Blah, blah, blah. Drains, issues, backups, blah, blah, blah.